The Bermuda Triangle is still a region full of mystery for sailors and pilots. Countless ships and planes have disappeared there throughout history without leaving a trace. For example, the SS Cotopaxi, which disappeared in 1925 while traveling from Charleston to Havana, never reached its destination. Years later, in the 1980s, a wreck was discovered 40 miles off the coast of St. Augustine, Florida. Since experts couldn't clearly identify the ship, they named it Bear Rat. It was only in 2020, after many years of work by marine biologists, that it was confirmed to be the Cotopaxi. The interesting part was that this mysterious wreck was actually not inside the Bermuda Triangle. The term Bermuda Triangle was introduced in 1964 by American author Vincent Hayes Gaddis. He used the term to describe a triangular region where hundreds of ships and planes had supposedly vanished without a trace. However, the borders of the region are not clearly defined. Estimates range from 500,000 to 1.5 million square miles. It is also difficult to determine the exact number of lost ships and planes, because some disappeared without any trace and their wrecks have still not been found. The legends of the Bermuda Triangle go back as far as Christopher Columbus sailing through the Atlantic Ocean in the 15th century. In the late 1400s, Columbus saw a massive flame on the ocean surface in what is now known as the Bermuda Triangle region, and he noticed a strange flickering light. During that time, his compass also malfunctioned severely. One of the most famous disappearance cases was Flight 19. In 1945, a Navy aircraft on a routine mission under the command of Lieutenant Charles Taylor vanished. At that time, pilots didn't have GPS and relied entirely on their compasses. During the mission, both compasses malfunctioned, and shortly after, the plane disappeared. Initial reports mentioned pilot error, but the cause was left unclear. One of the surviving pilots, Bruce Garan, said the aircraft passed through an electronic fog and that he felt as if time was pushed forward. He noticed that navigation devices malfunctioned among large swirling clouds, and a flight that should have taken 75 minutes took only 35 minutes. The events that occurred over the Bermuda Triangle in 2014 and 2015 were also interesting. Pilots almost collided with unidentified flying objects, and passengers reported seeing strange objects over the ocean. Scientists have tried to explain these disappearances through natural causes. According to the rogue waves theory, multiple giant waves rising at the same time can exceed 30 feet in height, and when they overlap, they can reach up to 100 feet, capable of overwhelming large ships. Meteorologists study hexagonal clouds that form over the Bermuda Triangle. These clouds can generate winds reaching 170 miles per hour and may grow 20 to 55 miles in width. The waves within them can rise up to 45 feet. Compass malfunctions in the region may be related to Earth's magnetic field. In the Bermuda Triangle, compasses point to magnetic north instead of true north. Some say that navigation devices may malfunction because geographical and magnetic north line up in that area. However, this phenomenon constantly shifts, meaning it appears in a different location each year. Deep craters and methane gas bubbles found on the ocean floor are also considered possible causes of disappearances. Gas can rise to the surface, causing eruptions that could endanger ships or aircraft. Today, the Bermuda Triangle still has heavy sea and air traffic. Flights from Miami to San Juan and maritime transportation in the Caribbean pass directly through this region. The area is also exposed to tropical storms, hurricanes, and the strong Gulf Stream current. Some of the ocean's deepest points, like the Milwaukee and Puerto Rico trenches, are located here. When all these conditions come together, disappearances can be explained by human error, bad weather, and heavy traffic. Official statistics show that around 50 ships and 20 planes have disappeared in the Bermuda Triangle. This number is not different from other parts of the Atlantic Ocean. So even though it's a region surrounded by mysterious stories, most of the events can be explained scientifically. And just like the mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle, our next journey will take us into another ancient enigma, the world of the Aztecs.